Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to update Minecraft Bedrock on PC. Okay, first things first, Minecraft Bedrock should automatically update when you launch it. But if for some reason that you need to manually update it, or if you are trying to join servers that require the latest version, we'll show you a way on how to update Minecraft Bedrock. Okay? The way is to manually update Minecraft Bedrock is by going to the Microsoft Store. Just simply click on the search bar, then type in Microsoft Store and open it. Once the store is open, just go to the bottom left and click on Library. Then, at the top right, click Get Updates. This will then check all your apps for updates, including Minecraft. And if you see Minecraft in the list, make sure to update from there. As simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now update Minecraft Bedrock on PC. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.